Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I am so unbelievably stoked to share this incredible project with you today. This one is beyond special and it traveled all the way from Kentucky and it was created by my incredible sweet friend and student, Shannon Hutchinson. Shannon, I just have to say thank you again so much for allowing me to be able to connect with you through your artwork. I'm just absolutely stunned and I know everyone's gonna love it. I love seeing everyone's different renditions. You have blown my mind. She posted this in our YBM community and just 100% blew me away. I had to actually ask her, can I see your book in person? And so this was super fun. We did an album challenge and she used the Echo Park Bookish line. So it's got sticker sheets, cut aparts, and tons of goodies. I just printed that to show you. And we actually ended up doing a fun little album challenge in our community. So this is what she made. I cannot wait to get into it. I mean, there's so much detail to this. I absolutely love it. We all created the same project using happy, lovely papers that we wanted for the February theme. So right here on the front, I'm mind blown. I gotta get a close up. Look at this acetate window, beautifully matted, an excellent paper choice, Shannon. And I don't even have words. Look at this. She fussy cut around this beautiful little signature page feature right here. And then she mounted this up on some dimensional foam tape just for a little bit of an elevated look and texture and layers. And then she's got this cluster right here in the top right corner. Just unreal. I'm so excited. This is awesome. This is just so awesome. Look at the ribbon she put. She went from the back here and then she also brought it from the side here. And to blow your mind even more, on the very back of the book, she ended up putting a super adorable little craft envelope, library style card right here. And she put a ton of little, look at this interaction on the back of the book. I've never thought to do this. Look at this, because it's all about reading. And she says she loves reading. And you can't even think of a better way to represent how much you love to read using this collection and incorporating this little style on the back. Look at these die cuts she layered up here. Eat, sleep, read, and repeat. So we all chose love papers that we wanted. It could be Valentine's Day, or it could just have hearts, or it could be something we love to do. I love how you added that little twist for the challenge, Shannon. It's so awesome. I'm 100% stunned. I can't wait to open the inside. I have not seen it. I've only seen pictures, so I can't wait. Oh my goodness. And this ribbon is so cute. You honestly could not have chosen a better ribbon for this. It's absolutely fantastic. I just love this. Okay, oh my goodness. Here's the inside. Oh, no way. Oh my gosh, this is phenomenal. I love how you added these flowers right here in the bottom right corner. Just totally brought everything together. Take a look at this. Let's get a close-up. Shannon, you are absolutely fantastic. You have an artist's eye. This is brilliant. I love every little bit of it. Look at that. She matted the side right there. This pink paper just totally brings everything together. I'm 100% obsessed with this. And I love how you ended up actually using a stamp with little books on it. And you got a cute little insert in there and you did the angles just like the class. If you wanted to learn to make one of these books too, just like she did, I'll leave a link to the tutorial info down in the description for you. But look at this. We have a fabulous little book stamp that totally coordinates with the paper collection and the entire theme. How sweet is that? I love learning more about you too, Shannon. The fact that you love to read. My husband, Shane, absolutely loves reading. We've got tons of books. Look at this. That is so stinking adorable. Love how you use this words page right here too. It breaks up the design perfectly with your nice tight knit patterns. And this opens up again. Oh my gosh, in person, this is a whole nother, wow, look at this. Beautiful 4x6 photo spot. She left this open so you could tuck a picture behind there. Look at that angle she achieved there. Just, oh my goodness, I can't handle this cuteness. It's just rock star amazing. Love that yellow. You're just using and bouncing these patterns and solids around just absolutely just gorgeously. I love it. And you created a cute little end piece on your band. This opens up. Love that little cut apart there. And then this opens up again. Gorgeous matting. Love that paper with all the little words on it. And then again, look at these acetate frames. Oh my gosh, this paper collection kind of reminds me of like a Simple Stories also. Beautiful little another picture spot there and some journaling. I actually like how you added a journaling card in here instead of just that picture mat spot that I put for mine. See how all the amazing, everybody thinks different, everyone creates different, and I just love seeing different renditions. Love how you put a little strip there to bring that little pattern back out. Cute little journaling space on the back, and again, another photo spot back there. Just like a cute little hidden tuck. I just love it. This opens up again. And oh my gosh, it's like the one you have on the back of the, look. Shannon, this is unreal. 4x6 photo spot, a couple cropped pictures. Cute little on-page pocket right here with a nice 4x6 little cut apart right there. And you mounted it up a couple times to create a little bit of dimension and focus on that image. Just love it. This is just, I can't even believe I can't even believe I'm touching this. This all folds back up gorgeously. Love the book spine paper all on the shelves. And this opens up again. Oh my goodness. This, guys, I am so unbelievably honored to see this created in a completely different way. When I designed this book in the beginning, I had so much fun. And to be able to see someone else's take on it is just marvelous. Look at these mirror images. Obsessed with the plaid. Okay, 100% obsessed. That's like exactly where I would put it if I was using this collection. You just did this in such a beautiful way. I look at the glasses as a stamp for little photo indicators. Is that cute or what? That just, look at it matches this. Shannon, you are just fab. Absolutely fabulous. I can't even come up with any other words. Look at these cute little 2x2 spaces and some of those little 2x2 pieces that you put there. Cute little strip. Some more 3x4 cut aparts here. Journaling. Happy stuff. Oh my gosh, look. The black cardstock really just makes it pop. Oh, and you actually did your little pocket on the back side. Love the customization. This opens up again. Look at the happy. Look at the happy. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Shannon, I'm having so much fun flipping through this, and you're a genius. You're an absolute genius. It's precious. It's fabulous. It's perfect. And look at this, solid colored all the way across, same pattern on this. I love that breakup in detail there. Is this fun or what? Look at this back pocket right here with all these goodies in it in my reading era. And another super cute little book stamp. And then you added some more 3x4 little photo mats. And then just a girl with a TBR and no place to be. Oh my god, is this a book? Yes, it is. This is a booklet. Book notes. Okay, this is so awesome. I'm taken aback. I'm taking it completely back. This is just beautiful. Love this heart page. Look at that all opened up. It's a rainbow heart page. This paper is gorgeous and you used it perfectly. I mean, it doesn't get better. Look how she backed that in my reading era as a little end embellishment right there on that band. How fun. Just a beautiful waterfall. Everything's so well put together. Everything's so well thought out. Shannon, your mind has blown my mind because I'm seeing the beauty that you put into this. Everything folds right back up and just nice and tight, an absolute beautiful fit. And I just can't get over the back. I mean, isn't that the sweetest idea you've ever seen? I'm gonna have to start incorporating something like this when I go to create my books. You've inspired me beyond words, and I just love everything you did with your album. I'm so unbelievably grateful that you've allowed me to connect with you through your book. I know we all spend hours and hours when we create these, and it is really no joke when they come together. What an absolute pleasure. I'm giving you a nice big hug right now, Shannon. Thank you so much for sharing your brilliant mind with all of us. This has turned out spectacular. You are an incredible artist. I want to thank everyone here so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And for my students, I'll see you over there. I'll be posting my challenge book soon. Love you all very much. Bye.